If you are very unhappy with your recitation instructor, you are complete idiots if you stay in that recitation. We have 13 recitation instructors, and I can assure you that it will be very easy to find one that agrees with you. You can come and see me if that helps. Some are better than others, that's the way it goes in life. Some students would like to see more cut and dry problem solving in my lectures. I think that's really the domain of recitations. Lectures and recitations are complementary. In lectures, I prefer to go over the concepts, and I always give numerical examples to support the concepts in a way that's problem solving. And I show demonstrations to further support the concepts, because seeing obviously is believing. I try to make you see through the dumb equations, and admittedly, my methods are sometimes somewhat different from what you're used to here at MIT. I try to inspire you, and at times I try to make you wonder and think. And I want to keep it that way. I believe that hardcore problem solving is really the domain of the recitations. Many of you found the exam too easy, and many of you found the exam too hard.